Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we are discussing MC 14024 or CD4024 IC. It is CMOS IC, ripple counter, binary counter, frequency divider, 14 pin IC, pin number 14, VDD, positive voltage, supply voltage, 3 volt to 15 volt, pin number 7, VSS, pin number 2, reset. When this pin is connected to low side, it will start function, it will start counting. When this pin is pulled up high, all outputs will return to 0 and it will not count. In our case, we are connecting to ground. It is up counter. Here we inject any signal. Either the signal is from any processor, any sensor, any decoder, any pulse encoder. In my case, I will use this PWM frequency generator. At each trailing edge, falling edge, when this pulse in this angle, when signal is becoming high to low, that time it will count 1. Q1, output number 1, that is pin number 12. Q2, pin number 11. Q3, pin number 9. Output number 4 from pin number 6. Output number 5 from pin number 5. Output number 6 from pin number 4. Output number 7 from pin number 3. 8, 10, 13 not connected. This IC is built by flip-flops. At each trailing edge, this signal will change. If it is low, it will become high. At next edge, it will become low. That means by 2 trailing edges, this signal will change high to low, low to high. Then by this signal, that is first output, it is output but it will become input for second stage. Q2 is output but it will become input as a Q3. So each section is cascaded with the previous one. To test this IC, to see the function, at each output I connected 1K resistor with one LED, and LED's second end is connected to ground. These outputs are connected to 1K resistor, then LED cathode side is connected to ground. If you don't have this PWM generator, then you can use a push button, connect to 5 volt, and this will go to pin number 1. Here we will connect 10K resistor, pull down. So when we will press this button, it will create high signal, otherwise it will remain low. This is negative supply for this module, this is positive supply for this module, and this is clock output. I will connect to pin number 1. We can apply 3 volt to 15 volt power supply, maximum 18 volt, but in my case I am applying 5 volt. I injected 1 Hz 50% duty cycle. It is counting binary numbers 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, like this. It is counting each pulse and it is dividing the frequency. Input frequency is divided by 2 here. If 1 Hz here, 0.5 Hz here. Then next stage is also dividing by 2 this frequency. If first output is blinking at high rate, the second is slower. Next, slower than this, because each stage is divided by 2. I hope this video is informative for you. If it is good, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.